Hello and welcome. Dilly Cube, I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you, I think today with an autumn inspired pour, which I'm going to use quite a few metallic colours, and I'm going to try to leave some negative space on my canvas. This is a nice gallery wrapped canvas and it's 40 by 50. And for a base coat today, I'm actually going to use the metallic copper, which is this one. So I've just pre-make it up. So the global colours, and I'm going to do this as my base colour. I don't think I've used the metallic copper as my whole base, but I'm going to try and leave the metallic copper. Actually, I've just glued that and I don't think it's glued down enough yet to use it. So I'm going to just, it might not cover the canvas too well, it's definitely transparent, but if I leave some negative space in the centre where I intend to, it doesn't matter because I will be putting something in there that I'm thinking of. So it might be, I might use a stencil. I've got some lovely autumn leaves here that I might add to it, but I just want to see how it turns out before making a final decision. I'm not going to paint down my sides with this because the colours that I'm going to do around will reach down my sides, I think. See, it's very transparent, but of course I'll have to have a pop of something. This is burnt umber with a good dash of black in it to actually send it even a bit darker. So I did one of these the other day and I framed it with sort of the same way, but with really bright colours, and I love how it turned out. So I thought, why not the autumn vibe? Definitely go the autumn vibe. So I'm going to put some this is metallic silver in here. See how this one goes with the autumny vibe. People either want browny beigey colours for their home here on the coast, or definitely the ocean, you know, the turquoise and blues. So either are usually sell well. I've got this yucky colour, but I made it and it was like, and it's kind of made a real khaki green, and I don't know whether to use it, but I'm going to, maybe I'll try on the corners only, not all the way round. So maybe just these two corners. It was just a little bit, I can't even remember how I got it. It was just throwing some paints in together. So there you go. If it turns out absolutely beautiful, I'm doomed. I don't know how I made it. So what did I want to throw in there as well? Of course, some gold. Go for gold. So this is my champagne gold, which is, I used 50% metallic silver, 50% metallic gold. So it's basically doing the wiggles. Lots of metallic gold in there. All that brown with that champagne gold looks beaut, real beaut. So that's my champagne gold. And what did I want to put to make it pop your socks? Should I go, or would this be a bit too OTT? Is orange, but this is literally is the fluoro orange. So oh, I don't know. I actually like it against those colours at the present time. Not sure if I should, but there you go. Only paint. So that's the fluoro orange. and then I'll just put some white in here. Just wiggle it in. This should be interesting. I don't think I have ever done this particular combination, but you have to try, I guess, the things. I'm not whether I don't know whether to put some red in there or that is enough. Do you reckon? Oh, a dribble of red just in there, in these two parts. So this is cool red. This will be interesting. This will definitely be interesting. So when it's all dry, I intend doing, like I said, either stencil or adding my leaves in there in some way. I'll think about that one. But I'll just whiz over with my heat wand. Yes, I think I can confidently say I have never done this colour combination. I was going to try my other little dryer because I'm using that pink one all the time, and I really want to try and use this. I've got that on the wrong way now. Anyway, maybe I'll try. No, I can't. I have to go back to the one I'm really, really comfortable with. I have had so many people send me links to try and get more of these, but they don't make them anymore. But apparently they're doing one similar because it's a Baylis Baby Pro mini micro dryer. So that's what they're called if you're looking for them. But they just don't look the same as this anymore. But they have got a bendy handle, which works great for doing different it just works wonderful. I'm really happy with this. So let's try this blowout to turn it up. Wow, that is super nice. Oh my goodness. Now I really want to... It doesn't look so nice with just the metallic copper back, but that is super nice on its own. My thought was to let this dry and then actually do some detailing in acrylic pen and actually put something in the center. So, like I said, I've got leaves, I've got all sorts, but that is super nice, super nice. And it could definitely be left as it is, but now I really want to use those colours. So that khaki, oh my goodness, look what I ended up doing. I just couldn't leave it like that because, as I said, I wanted to add something. I still do value your opinion on what you think I should do when it's fully dry, but what I really thought, if I do end up adding leaf, like I would paint on the leaves and stencil them on, but I thought, wouldn't it look better if I had leaf shapes? So I actually balloon rolled it, and I thought my camera was running the whole time, but no, it wasn't. So I just want to show you my, well, as I could create leaves from my balloon rolls. So this is all I did. I actually balloon rolled, and I thought, oh, I don't know, I like it so much better with my balloon rolls as my feathery leaves looking now. It looks autumny to me. Just using your balloon to do the balloon rolls. Literally now I like it because I've brought the green into the red areas and I really like it. So sorry about that, but it literally is doing exactly what I'm doing now, and just rolling to create the leaf effects. Now I could leave that to dry. It's still got a bit of negative space, and then I could outline my leaves with a fine art gold or a bronze pen. But that, to me, now I feel in my heart that that's perfect to me. Remember, your art, your rules, your way, but I still value your opinion, so please, please, please let me know what you think.